This is the PEScience Prolific Pre-Workout Energy Powder. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. This comes in 6 different flavors. I picked the melon berry twist because I like to mix my energy powders with drink mix packages, and most berry flavors taste good to me mixed with any other berry or orange flavor. According to the company, it contains no beta-alanine or creatine, so it can be used by both men and women, so that's good. When you first get this, the entire jar is wrapped in plastic and there's a foil seal on top, and there's a little pack inside of here to keep the moisture out, along with a scoop so that you can get the exact serving amount that you need. There are 40 scoops in this container if you choose to use 1 scoop per serving, and 20 servings if you choose to use 2 scoops per serving. So this is going to last me around a month, which is great. A lot of people use this as a pre-workout drink, but I'm an energy drink nut, so I like to have a container or a can of something that I can use every day. As with anything energy oriented like this, you're going to want to read the label and the directions and make sure that this is the right product for you, so that you can see what it contains and what it doesn't contain. Here are the 2 ways that I like to make this my recipes, if you will. If I want a quick energy boost, I will just add 1 scoop into about 6 ounces of water. I will mix it up and I will down it. You can see what it looks like mixed up right here. There's a little berry color in there, not a whole lot. It's a good way to get a good shot in the morning. But mostly what I like to do is put 2 scoops into a 1-liter bottle. Now I like the taste of this alone. It has a decent taste, but since most of the time I'm using a 33-ounce bottle instead of their recommended 8 to 10 ounces, the taste kind of gets diluted. So like I said before, I'll add a packet of something to get the flavor that I like. Everyone's going to have their own way of making this to the taste that suits them. I usually drink 4 liters of water a day, so this is my way of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm about 255 pounds right now, and I've been using this for about a week along with some other PEScience products. Once in the morning and once in the evening if I go out. I definitely get an energy pick-me-up from it, and it absolutely no jitters or tingles or anything like that, at least in my case. This is perfect for the morning for me. I'll do the 6-ounce version if I go for a dog walk, or I'll do the whole liter bottle version with me if I go out in the evening. So there you go. Energy boost, no crash, and tastes great to me. Very nice.